Hey, it's Matt. I'm here with Doug with Goodwill. Now you drive around Alberta, you see the storefronts all over the place, you see the big blue sign, you see the donation centers. You might not know what happens inside of a Goodwill. Lots of amazing things for Albertans, right, Doug?
Exactly, and this year we're actually celebrating 60 years of opportunity, service, and good right here in Alberta, and that means more employment opportunities for people with disabilities, not only within Goodwill, but with partner organizations right across the province, so it's a win-win.
So it's simple as, basically I got a box of old Halloween stuff, I'm ready to donate it, I can bring it down to Goodwill, and you guys can take care of that and help Albertans.
That's right, some Halloween costumes are one and done. Bring it back to Goodwill, we'll find a brand new home and find some brand new innovation, which is how I ended up as The Rock this year.
Like, look at this. Who would ever donate this? But if you want to find some more stuff like this, you can go to goodwill.ab.ca or any storefront you see in Alberta or Edmonton.